Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video. Today in this video we are going to learn about the hidden goodwill. In previous video we have already discussed all the cases of goodwill. If you have not watched that video, then first of all you should watch that video, then only you can understand this one. Here is a type of goodwill which is known as hidden goodwill. Sometimes at the time of admission of any partner, the amount of goodwill will not be mentioned in the question. If the amount of goodwill is not mentioned in the question, it means you have to understood that we have to calculate the amount of goodwill. Means here in question, the value of goodwill is hidden. Now the question is that how you will calculate the value of hidden goodwill. First of all, you have to calculate the net worth of the firm, including goodwill. For calculating the net worth of the firm, the capital of the incoming partner will be mentioned in the question. So the capital of new partner or incoming partner multiply reciprocal of his share, reciprocal of his share. From this you will be calculate the net worth of the firm. At last you have to less the value of total capital including new partner capital. You have to less this one. After that you will get the value of goodwill, which will be the hidden goodwill. Hidden goodwill. Here, with the help of an example, we will understand how to calculate the value of hidden goodwill. Suppose here are two partners, A and B. Their profit sharing ratio having 3:2, and their capital value is, capital of A and B is 1,60,000 and 1 lakh. Now there is a new partner who wants to enter into your partnership business, whose name is C, for 1/5 share. 1/5 share, and he brings capital of rupees 1,20,000. Now you have to calculate the value of goodwill and pass the necessary general entries for the adjustment of goodwill also. Now what we will do? First of all, we will calculate the net worth of the firm. Net worth. How you will calculate the net worth of the firm? Capital of the new partner into reciprocal of his share. Capital is how much? 1,20,000. His share is 1/5. Reciprocal, it means by 1, 6 lakh. This is the net worth of the firm. Now we have to less the total capital of the firm, including new partner capital. How much the fund? How much the capital of A and B? 1,60,000 plus 1 lakh, 2,60,000. And C capital is how much? 1,20,000. It means if we calculate all these, then the value will be here 3,80,000. We have to list this. 160 plus 1 lakh plus 120. Now what would be the value of the goodwill? The value of the goodwill would be here 2,20,000. This is the value of hidden goodwill. Now what is their share capital? Their share capital is 1/5. Then how much goodwill he should bring? Value of his goodwill will be here 2,20,000 multiply 1 by fifth. It means he will bring amount of goodwill. How much? 44,000. Generally, in question of hidden goodwill, the value of goodwill he will not bring. So what we will do here? We have to deduct from their capital account. No, first entry we will pass here bank account debit because he is bringing capital. Bank account debit to C's capital account. How much capital he is bringing? 1,20,000. Now the second entry we will pass here for the adjustment of goodwill. What entry you will pass here? C's capital or current account debit to who will take the share of goodwill? Sacrificing partner. And who will be the sacrificing partner? A and B. So here to A's capital account and to B's capital account. What will be the sacrificing ratio? The amount of goodwill would be here 44,000. We have already discussed in the previous video, which was calculation of new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. If in question there is nothing mentioned about the new partner share, then the old profit sharing ratio will be the sacrificing ratio. Then we have to adjust this amount of goodwill here 26,400 and 17,600. This is all about the topic hidden goodwill.